Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of making money online. We're not talking about those get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. We're talking about real, sustainable ways to generate income from your computer. I'm going to be sharing 5 proven methods that have worked for myself and countless others. Let's get into it. First up is a method that's near and dear to my heart: freelancing. Think about it. What skills do you have that others might be willing to pay for? Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, video editing, virtual assistants. These are just a few examples of skills that are in high demand online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control. You set your rates, choose your projects, and build your own schedule. My advice for starting out is to identify your niche, create a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience, and don't be afraid to start with competitive pricing to attract those first few clients. Deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and provide excellent customer service. With dedication and persistence, freelancing can be an incredibly rewarding way to make money online. Next up is a method that's perfect for those of you who love talking about products and services you believe in: affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action you drive through your unique referral link. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. You can find affiliate programs for almost any niche imaginable, from tech gadgets and beauty products to online courses and financial services. The key is to be authentic, provide valuable information to your audience, and recommend products that you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income, meaning you can continue to earn money from your efforts long after you've created the content. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love teaching others, creating and selling online courses or ebooks could be your ticket to online income. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Thinkific, and Podia make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your online courses. Ebooks are a fantastic way to package your knowledge into a digestible format that people can consume at their own pace. You can sell ebooks on your own website through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or even offer them as a lead magnet to grow your email list. This creates a source of passive income that can continue to generate revenue for you long after you've hit publish. Now let's talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that allows you to sell physical products online without ever holding any inventory. You set up an online store using a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, and you partner with dropshipping suppliers who warehouse and ship products directly to your customers. Your focus is on building your brand, marketing your products, and providing excellent customer service. Dropshipping can be a highly competitive business model, but it can also be incredibly lucrative if you do your research, choose the right products, and put in the work to build a strong brand. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about YouTube and content creation. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love creating videos, YouTube can be an incredible platform to share your knowledge, connect with an audience, and potentially earn a significant income. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue from the ads displayed on your videos. As your channel grows, you can explore other monetization avenues such as brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own merchandise, and even launching your own products or services. Building a loyal following on YouTube takes time and effort, but it can be an incredibly rewarding way to turn your passion into profit. Alright, so there you have it. 5 proven methods to make money online. Whether you're a skilled freelancer, a passionate affiliate marketer, a knowledgeable course creator, a savvy dropshipper, or a charismatic content creator, there's a path for you to earn income online. The most important thing is to take action. Choose one method that resonates with your skills and interests and dive in head first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling and take control of your financial future.